Everyone knows someone who is affected by cardiovascular disease. Currently, 15 million people in Europe live with heart failure. Heart failure not only has a significant and lasting impact on patients' health, but also on their well-being. The search for new drugs and devices is particularly difficult. Despite huge investments in healthcare, the number of new drugs approved is not increasing, due to the complexity of the human biology and regulatory procedures. By now, we are all aware of the power of digital technologies to support innovations such as high-performance computing, artificial intelligence, computer modeling and simulation, the Internet of Things, and cloud computing. The European Commission is supporting the digital transformation of healthcare and the use of new technologies to accelerate prevention of diseases and research for new treatments.
At the heart of the digital transformation, our health data can help in better prevention of diseases through early diagnosis and also improve therapy thanks to personalized medicine. This is why the European Commission funded SimCardioTest, a research project that demonstrates the feasibility, efficacy, and benefits of computational science for cardiac disease. It brings together the best European experts in computer modeling and medical devices. 10 partners from all over the world are working on SimCardioTest. In-silico computational approaches can be used to predict complex clinical scenarios. Specifically, the aim of SimCardioTest is to provide insight into designing new predictive tools for cardiac pathologies and accelerate the uptake of computer simulations for testing medicines and medical devices. Cardiac pathologies such as atrial fibrillation, ischemia, and arrhythmias will be studied to design specific computational models to test devices and drugs. Based on open-source technologies and software, the first study focuses on modeling the navigation of cardiac pacing devices in order to optimize the design of pacemaker electrodes and predict the fatigue of such devices. The second study is on the left atrial appendage occluder, a device implanted in patients with atrial fibrillation to prevent the formation of clots. Computational models will be designed to simulate blood flow around the device. The aim is to improve patient selection, optimize the device settings, and predict response to treatment. The third study will assess drug safety and efficacy in personalized and detailed cardiac models that span spatial scales from the cellular to the organ level. These simulations will consider healthy and pathological conditions, as well as other patients' characteristics such as age and gender.
SimCardioTest will be conducted in close collaboration with regulatory institutions to gain the trust of regulators, physicians, and patients. It is essential to demonstrate that these computational approaches can help develop new devices and drugs, as well as reduce cost and time to market. The result of the simulation will be thoroughly verified and validated to support the certification process, with the final objective to reduce animal testing and speed up the translation to the patients. Modeling and simulation will also replace some of the invasive aspects of clinical trials by identifying new biomarkers. This will improve the accuracy and possibly reduce the duration of these clinical trials.
SimCardioTest will demonstrate the effectiveness of a cloud-based platform for new device and drug testing. By combining computer modeling and simulation with artificial intelligence, using patient-specific data and high-performance computing. This way, SimCardioTest aims to bring cardiac research to the next level and facilitate the translation of therapies from the laboratory to the hospital and the patients.